Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is May the 10th. My journey to 50k, I'm currently at 126, 277, so down by about 3% for the day, which is about 3,900, actually 4,000. For the past week, down by about 9.4%, which is about 13,100. For the past month, down by about 10.7%, which is about 15,200. For the past 3 months, down by about 31%, which is about 56,800. For the past year, up by about 31.9%, which is about 30,600. So if you're new to this channel, I usually show you my position every single day, as well as talk about a stock or a few plays that I'm considering or I have in my portfolio, as well as how I'm managing in these red days. So if this is the first time you know in the stock market, this might look very terrifying to you. Last year was the same, but for those who just knew what they had bought, the companies they bought and did their DD and weathered the storm, they were up by the time the year was ending. So it's kind of the same right now. Asset values are all over the place. We have crypto blowing up. I think these numbers are not sustainable, so a correction is always warranted, and we always welcome that in the stock market. I think for long-term investors, you should be fine. For those people who expect their portfolios to grow in 1 week by like 20%, I think this year might be a tough one for you guys. But if you have a losing company, which the fundamentals of change, you might need to consider chopping it off. But if you want to hold for the long term to see how that goes, it's up to you. Just remember, during tax time, you have up to like 3,000 for losses, kind of to take care of that. So just be mindful when you're repositioning your portfolio. A quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Today we'll be talking about the airline industry. I think this is an industry which is going to recover, so I'll be talking about American Airlines. It isn't the biggest, but we have Delta, we have JetBlue, we have Southwest. But I want to touch base on this because the price isn't that bad off, and we are recovering slowly. After the vaccinations are being given, we expect people to start traveling. Currently people are traveling, but not as many as we will expect, just because people are a little bit afraid of what's going on out there. But let me show you. So you can see for the past week they are up by about 1.8%. For the past month, down by about 5.4%. Last 3 months, up by about 28%. And for the past year, up by about 123%. So you can see, the 52-week high was 2609, which is actually far from where they are. Market cap is 14.19 billion, and today's volume is about 11 million, which is pretty decent. And you can see a lot of articles talking about the airline industry. So these 3 airlines look bullish going into the week. How to play them: American Airlines, Boeing, and then there's another article here as well. Delta and United are now offering flights to all of the European tourist countries, welcoming vaccinated Americans. And the last one, Alaska just joined the One World Alliance alongside American Airlines, British Airlines, and 11 other carriers. So if you know how the airline industry is made, we have Star Alliance, and we have this One World Alliance as well, whereby they partner in how to ferry passengers. I think that's kind of a positive thing, whereby one airline doesn't overstretch itself in terms of transporting people to destination where they wouldn't normally go. They save on fuel, they just split on some profits. But I wanted to kind of bring this stock to your radar, have it in your watch list. You can also have JETS ticker symbol to kind of see how the cumulative airline industry is moving, and also get a good idea if you want to get into this play. I haven't taken a position yet. I'm waiting to see if I can get some funds in some of the plays that are short term on my end, like the call options and puts. And then if I manage to, I'll either get a position in American Airlines or Jets, but I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that's it for me. Hopefully you're doing good this day. It's kind of red in most indices, so just make sure you're very careful if you're short-term or long-term trader, you don't kind of get into the plays without taking time to wait for a dip. Be green, be safe. See you in the next one. Bye.